Cooking in clay pots has been a traditional method for centuries and it is believed to have several health benefits. Some of these are shared in this video. You're watching Live English content. Stick around this video, it's gonna be more informative if you fully watch it. As well as subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start. Retains nutrients. Clay pots are porous, which allows the food to breathe and cook evenly, preserving the nutrients in the food. No chemicals. Clay pots are made from natural materials and are free from harmful chemicals and toxins that can leach into food during cooking. Alkaline. Clay is naturally alkaline, which can help neutralize the acidity in certain fruits such as tomatoes, preserving their natural flavors. Add minerals. Some types of clay contain minerals such as iron, magnesium, and calcium that can add the nutrient content of food. Slow cooking. The slow and gentle cooking process in clay pots help to break down tough fibers in meats and vegetables, making them more tender and flavorful. It's important to note that the health benefits of cooking in clay pots may depend on the quality and purity of the clay used. Some types of clay may contain impurities that can be harmful, so it's important to choose a high quality food safe clay pot for cooking. I hope that you like this video. Kindly share this. Thanks for watching.